Hello and welcome. Let's cut through the noise of accounting software today. We're focusing on one specific platform that's generating buzz for 2025, Puzzle.io. With a name like that, you have to wonder, is it a fun challenge or just a complicated problem? In this video, I'm not just giving you my opinion, I'm giving you a detailed walkthrough based on their own website, highlighting all the pros and cons I can find to answer one big question: is Puzzle.io worth your investment this year? Alright, diving into Puzzle.io. The platform markets itself as a stress-free financial OS aiming to make accounting less puzzling for growing companies. The central theme is bringing all your financial data into one place: bookkeeping, bill payments, expense management, and reporting. The design appears sleek and user-centric, which is a definite pro for usability. Automation is at the heart of their message, with promises of automating transaction categorization and reconciliation to save you precious. Their real-time insights feature is touted to give you an instant view of your profitability and cash flow, which is essential for strategic planning. They also stress the importance of connectivity, listing integrations with major tools like Stripe, Shopify, and Brex to help create a cohesive financial tech stack. The collaborative aspect, allowing your team and accountant to work within the same system, is another positive highlighted. Now, onto the potential cons. The platform offers 4-tiered pricing plans, starting with a free accounting basics plan for new companies, which includes AI support and cash or accrual books. The first paid tier is Accounting Plus Insights at $50 per month, adding real-time insights and chat support. For $100 per month, the Accounting Plus Advanced Automation plan introduces classes and departments for tracking alongside advanced automation. Finally, the Accounting Plus Scale plan starts at $300 per month and is designed for scaling companies with more complex needs, offering custom subledgers, custom reports, and priority support. See you later, my dear.